Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video I will be talking about my biggest project ever. Now this is a personal project and this app is actually already available in Google Play Store, so you can go and directly download this app. The app name is SquatMap. I will also leave the app download link in the video description below, so you can directly go and download the app and try it out on your. Okay, I'm directly going to go into the practical uses. Before going into practical uses, I'm going to tell you a basic idea what this app is all about. Now this app is actually a group location sharing app with a lot more functionality to it. So what are the practical uses? Okay, let's say for example you are traveling to a destination and this is a group travel. So let's say for example there is a car 1, car 2, car 3, or a bike or scooty, multiple scooties or multiple bikes. Okay, now you need when you're traveling, a lot of time this happens that a lot of persons have gone too much away, and you need to know their location. Now what we right now do is we call them, we ask them where are you, or where have you stopped by. Let's say for example their car tire was punctured, so that is why they have stopped at this location. So we used to call them and know all about this, but that's where my app is coming in. It will help you track multiple people locations at the same time, and you can even chat with all the group members that have joined. Okay, so this was the main problem statement that my app is actually solved. Okay, another features of my app is that you will be able to see the live location of all the people that have joined the group, and they have they have also allowed their location to be shared. Okay, so basically what will happen is that it will ask you to enable the permission of allow all the time location. I will suggest you to allow all the time permission, so that let's say for example you have switched off the screen of the app and you have put it on in your pocket. Now once you have turn off the screen, the app actually is going to run in the background. If you have enabled all the time permission, it's going to run in the background, and it's going to update your location every time to the server, and so that every person in the group can see your updated location. Okay, so that is why I will suggest you to allow all the time. Now other thing is that you will be able to if you are the admin of the group, you will be able to remove a person from the group. If you are the admin, you will also be able to change the destination of the group. Let's say for example you were first going to North Goa, so basically but your plan has changed now, so you want to go to South Goa, so you can directly go into the app, change the destination. Now what will happen is that every member of your group will get a notification alert that the group destination has been changed, so they can directly go back to the group. So once you click on the navigation button, it will open up the Google Maps and your navigation path will be updated. Okay, another features in the app are that any group member who has joined as a member of the group, now there's actually two joining options when you are joining the group. One is the member, another is the viewer. I'm going to talk about what is the difference, but let me tell you this. Okay, if you have joined as a group member, you have an option to trigger an SOS. So basically once you trigger the SOS, all the group members and the group admin will get the notification alerts that this person has triggered the SOS. So basically other people can directly go and navigate to your destination to make sure you are okay. Now when this will be useful, let's say for example you have got into an accident. Now if you are able to reach your phone rather than calling the person, you can directly trigger the SOS, so that every person could directly call you, or they can navigate to your location. This will be really helpful, okay, in terms of emergencies and everything. Okay, another feature is that you can directly chat within the group. Okay, so there's a chat functionality in the group itself, so you can go and chat with all the members of the group that have joined. You can also send group invites to everybody who has joined our app or who has signed up already into our app. You can do that basically directly when you are creating the group. There's an option there, or when the group is created, after that also you can invite. Basically just scroll down to the bottom and there will be an option to invite your friend by typing his or her mobile number. Or what you can do is you can also share the invite code of your group, and they can basically type in the invite code and also the password of the group. If you have set any password to the group, then they will have to type the password also when they are using the invite code to join to the group. And I will highly recommend you to set a password to the group whenever you are creating a group. Okay, another thing is that you can also show the QR code of the QR code of the particular group, and they can use the QR scanner within our app itself, and they can scan the QR code and they can join directly into that group. Okay, so now I will be talking about what is the difference of joining as a member or joining as a viewer. Now, if you join as a member, your location will be shared with everyone in the group if you have enabled that in the privacy option. Yeah, there's also a thing that is a privacy. You can go to the privacy options from by going to the settings, then going to the privacy options, and then you can enable or disable any of the fields. Okay, so if you disable any of the field, then only that field, let's say for example you have disabled share mobile number. Now your mobile number will not be shared with anybody in the group, only it will be shared with the group admin. Rest for everybody, that field will be hidden. Okay, another thing is that so yeah, member they will directly be able to share their location, okay, if they have enabled that. Okay, now if you join as a viewer, you will be able to see everybody else's location, but your location will not be shared. Now this will I have kept this functionality mainly because, let's say for example you are going on a road trip with your friends. Now your family is worried now, and they are going to call you every time 3 or 4 hours, okay, asking about where is your location. Now what you can do is you can share the invite code with your family, or directly invite them by typing his or her mobile number and invite them to the group as a viewer. Okay, now if they join as a viewer, they have limited limited functionality to the group, and they can basically see your location and your friend's location. Okay, so there are various other practical uses. Now I cannot share all of the practical uses in this video, but I would highly recommend you to use this app. Okay, I know maybe this app will not be helpful as of right now, but when you are traveling with a group or something like that, make sure you use this app. And if you feel that this functionality was missing from the app, then please go to the settings and go to the suggestions and type your suggestions, like what we can improve into our app, and submit that. And we are I'm constantly looking of what all suggestions you guys have been mentioning, and according to that I'm going to plan the next update. I'm also working on the iOS part of this app, but as of right now I only have an iPhone 7 as of right now, and I do not have a MacBook, so that is why I'm struggling to test the app out and build the whole iOS version. But I'm working on it, and I think very soon I might be able to publish this app onto iOS as well in future. Guys, please go and download this app, because I've worked very hard for this app. I've literally for the last 2 months I've been working on this app, and everything about this app I have developed on my own. First of all, starting thinking about what all app should look like, developing the UI on Figma first of all, then coming forward and coding the whole UI into Flutter I actually developed this app using Flutter. So developing the whole mobile UI using Flutter, then working on the back end of this, working on the database, working on the server side. So that is all done by me. So I've put in a lot of hard work. So I will literally tell you that these last 2 months have been so much hectic. Like I was just sleeping 3 to 4 hours. Like it was very hard for me to manage my college assignments. I'm also planning to do go abroad for MS, so I'm also working on that. So I was working all of that, and also working on this app. I was literally coding for almost like 10 hours daily onto this app. Like I was putting 10 hours daily to this app for the last 2 months. So I will please suggest you to go and try this app out for once. And I know like this was a first concept idea of this app, and I know like maybe you will probably see a lot of duplicate apps in the future with the same idea as Mine app. But as of right now, I can assure you that this all functionality that I have offered in this app is not available in any other app as of right now. So yeah, please go and try this app out. And thank you guys for watching. If you have any doubts relating to this app, please go and comment down in this video, and I will reply to all your comments as soon as possible. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.